Today I'm chopping up the last of the plant material from some of the pruning I've been doing. Once this pile's chopped up, I'll spread it as a thin layer, basically free wood chips, underneath the fresh pine straw on the slope garden behind me. Not all garden days are glamorous, but it sure does feel good to get all these tasks done. I recently dug up this Viburnum Nudum. It is a native shrub, blooms in the springtime, followed by berries in the late summer and fall. I love this plant so much, but I think I had it planted in the wrong spot. It was a dry location at the top of my hillside garden. Late last spring, after it flowered beautifully, it started to struggle. I started to notice some dieback through the summer into the fall, and then by early this spring, it just looked terrible. Basically had nothing left except I could tell that the roots were still alive. They don't look dark and rotted out. I have noticed this one little sprout coming up from the roots right here, and that gives me hope that maybe I can revive it in a pot for a while and just see what happens, and maybe I can relocate it to a spot that gets more regular moisture. Today I'm just going to clean it up a bit, trim back anything that is not alive from what I can tell, and then we're just going to put it in this pot with some garden soil. I'll give it a little biotone starter fertilizer to hopefully help with the roots, and a little bit of water, and we will watch it as the season progresses. My Viburnum Nudum is potted up, and all I have to do is just give it some water and we'll see what happens. All of my Heucheras have new growth on them now, so I'm just going to come in here and trim back some of the old foliage. just takes a few seconds, but it does look really nice when you're done. I'm also going to show you a few things that are blooming here in early March. Hey, I just took a break and now I'm back to finish fertilizing my slope garden. I did fertilize the back garden up here the other day before we put down the pine straw. Now I want to just go ahead and get all this fertilizing done before we get rain tonight. This will be the last rain that we have for a couple of weeks, I think. So now would be a good time so I don't have to drag out the hose and really water it in. A lot of people use Plant Tone and it's a great all-purpose fertilizer. If you only have one fertilizer, this is a great one. I do the Jim Putnam method of just slinging it out there. By the way, thank you Jim and Stephanie for these awesome plant collector t-shirts. They're great. I figured it was fitting to wear one of the HortTube t-shirts for this process. You will also see me bring out this pink bag right here. This is rose tone. I will be using it on my hydrangeas and maybe a couple other plants. Hibiscus, there's a couple other things in the area. I might just toss this on as well. Let's go ahead and get this done. Thanks so much for gardening with me today, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.